Welcome back guys, and this video is going to be very important. I am going to tell you some settings, 13-14 settings, which if you turn off those settings, your life of battery will improve enormously. Means it will improve like anything. You can feel a considerable amount of difference in your battery life. So the last setting was the important setting. If you want to really improve the battery life of your phone, please go through the entire video, and after that, if you like, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, the first setting is go to this setting, and then here one option Google is there. Go to the Google option. Where is the Google? So go to the Google, and here Google. Now go below and device and sharing, you have to go. So device and sharing, and from here nearby share. So nearby share. Now here please turn it off. So this should be turned it off to save the battery. Now go back. Now press 2 times, and now we are again at Google. So here 3 dots, and now user and diagnostics, this should be turned off. Means if it is on, then the logs will be created and sent to the Google for their rectification purposes. So this should be off. These two settings will save the battery. Now coming to the third one, go back, then come outside, and now go to the toggles, and here go to the location, and here on the location, first not going to the location, just switch off the unwanted. Means Wi-Fi should be off, Bluetooth is on, unwanted should be, Wi-Fi calling should be off. What is not wanted, this you can quickly share, you can off it to no one. Means just quickly turn off the NFCs, it should turn off, which is not required to you, just turn off. So this was the third. Fourth, just go to the location, long press it. Now location services, and here turn off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. This Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning will save huge amount of battery. Means this device continuously scans Bluetooth devices, scans for Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi. So this is consuming a lot of battery. If we are switching it off, this will save a lot of battery. So just this was the fourth. Then fifth setting, go to the setting, connections, then more connection setting, nearby scanning, this should be turned off. So this will also save. Now next setting, in your mobile there are many applications which you rarely use, suppose InShots. Then what you just long press it, go to the eye, and here go to the battery, and turn into the restricted one. So this will also save considerable amount of battery. Now these unused applications are also consuming the background mobile data. So just long press it for next setting, and then go below, go to the mobile data, allow background data usage, just turn it off. So this will also save. Now we will go to the lighting. Suppose go to the display, and here you can turn off the adaptive brightness. If it is on, it will vary, the brightness will adapt according to the outer light conditions. This will either decrease or increase the brightness. So this should be turned off. Next setting, which is the most important setting, is just activate the dark mode. Activating dark mode can save a huge amount of battery in your phone. Just activate this and feel the difference. You can feel the amount of the battery which is working through whole day. Means if earlier it was working for 24 hours, now it will work for 36 hours, or in fact 48 hours. So for video purpose I am going to the light to show you. Now next setting, if there is any notifications for edge brightening, then turn it off. So coming to the next, please do these settings one by one. Listen very carefully the all video. Next, go to the next setting, battery and device care. Where is battery and device care? Go below battery and device care, and here go to the battery and more battery settings, and here protect battery. This should be turned on. This will increase the lifespan of your battery. If your battery is charging, you are charging your battery every time 100%, then this will not good for your battery. The battery life will be reduced, so turn it on. Now go back and then background usage limit, and here deep sleeping apps you can select. Deep sleeping apps will never run in the background and may not receive updates or notifications. They will only work when you will open them. So you can add or remove, you can select and remove. So I am not removing it. You can sleeping app, never sleeping app, you can change also. If these apps are always open, so you can change the background usage limit for the apps. And the most important setting is two settings. First is this, protect battery, and the most important setting is the turning your phone into the dark mode. Means select dark mode for display. This will almost double your battery. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you are performing all the operations, all the settings which I have told in the video, please, you will only witness the increase in the performance of your battery. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.